Characteristics of living things. There are 7 characteristics are there for all living things. We can differentiate from non-living things. Movements. Butterfly moves from one flower to another. Respiration. Humans breathe air in and use it to get energy from the food. Sensitivity. We shiver when it is cold. Growth. A baby grows and becomes an adult. Reproduction. A hen lays eggs. Excretion. Removal of waste from our body. Nutrition. A bird eats insects. So by using these 7 characteristics, we can differentiate living things from non-living things. Thank you.